Before starting the optical illusion, let's go for the basic informations. Yes, before creating or before making any art piece, we need to understand the elements of art. The elements of art is line, shape, color, value, form, texture, space. Yes, a line, that is a mark or a dot, that is made it by any pointed tool. It can be your pencil, it can be by a marker, with the brushes, or with a stick also. So children, we have already discussed about the lines. Yes, different types of line. It can be vertical line, horizontal line, curved line, slanting line, zigzag lines, and many more. So now basically our optical illusion art is completely an art form which we can create by applying the lines in form of slanting lines, in form of curved lines. So different line forms and the colors, we can create any optical illusion art. So optical illusion art is an abstract art that gives an illusion of movement, and we can, as I have told you before, we can create optical illusion while using shapes, while using lines, different forms of line, and while using colors also. So now optical illusion art, where we feel like a sense of movement, where we get a sense of movement, while you can see some of the curved lines are coming out while some of the curved lines are going in. So that creates a sense of movement. Now let me tell you about in a brief about the optical illusion art. Optical illusion art is also called op art, children. Op art, yes, it was created first by a Hungarian French artist, Victor Versley. Victor Versley, you can see the children, this is the amazing artwork done by Victor Versley. Yes, he has used different forms of, different types of line, thick line, curved line. You can see using the curved lines, thick lines and thin lines, he has created an illusion, feels like the zebras are moving. So the same way, let's start. We will also make a small and very simple optical illusion in the class today. So let's start and let's have fun while making it. Children, let's start it. So what we need, a sheet of a paper, pencil, marker, or if you have eraser and a scale. So let's start, children. So I'm using marker, but you're going to use pencil. So if any mistake, you can correct it. Yes, children. So first we are going to set our page setup. So first you are going to make the border of all the side of the page. In case if you are planning to give a framing, to give it for framing, so you can use this space. I'm using a freehand lines, but you can, children, you can use scale. Your long scale, always keep a long scale with you, and you can make a border all the side. Now you need to set your page vertically or horizontally. So over here I'm setting my page horizontally. On the top left side I'm writing the date. Today's date is 17/6/2021, and the topic op art. OP art, or you can write optical illusion art also. Op art is a short form of this form of art. So let's start it, children, without wasting our time. So I'm going to make a square here, 16 by 16 centimeters. So you're going to make a square. Yes, children, it's not compulsory. If your drawing sheet is bigger, you can go for the bigger square. If you want to make a small, you can go for a small square. So here I'm using my long scale and I am making a square. So as I have told, I have made over here 16 by 16 centimeters square. So I'm writing, children, for you. After that, you can make the you can divide the square in diagonal lines. So I am just joining the lines from one point to another and making a cross. So children, just make a cross. You can use your scale. If you are not comfortable, I would suggest as an artist, go with a freehand. And after this, children, we can divide it into further segments for the divisions of the lines. So I have made it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can make it 2 more, children. So I am dividing into, you can make it in many more segments. And after making it many more segments, let me count it into first half and the second half. So I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need a 6. I mean the top segment and the bottom segment should be having the even segments. So I'm dividing into 6, children. So further dividing into 1 more. So now finally got it 1, 5 and 6. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have an even number down on the half of the square and half of the on the top part also even number 6. You can create 8. You can create a 4 also you can create, but the number should be even. These parts 1, 2, 3, 4. These segments should be even number. The same first half and the same second half. So I have counted here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have written a number also here, not to get confused. So that's it, children. Our line part has been done. Now what we are going to do, children, for making this basic illusion art, it's a very basic optical illusion art where we are going to enjoy it. So I'm going to take it from outside, from this part, number 1, where you have written number 1. Kindly you to mark it with a pencil so it will be easy for you. So I'm taking the curve like that. Now I have taken the curve where the edges are towards outside and the curve is inside. Leaving number 2, going to the odd wala, and there again I'm doing the same thing. So I'm leaving number 4 and going for the number 5. Same thing, number 6, if you see from here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 6 is done here. Then leaving 6, you need to leave one part, and I mean one area and going to the next. So over here I'm leaving the 6 and going to the 7. Simple. After going to 7, leaving 8, going to the 9. So I'm going to the odd number basically. Student, you can see that you can divide the same line, same segments, even number into 3 parts, 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have done it. So I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quickly all the sides. I'm using my even number and dividing it using a curve into 4 segments. I mean 4 parts of each segment. 3 and 4. Quickly I'm going, children. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to go it towards outside. The edges are joining from both the side, but it is it will look like a spider web, children. So where you have gone basically in, now we are going basically out. That's done, children. Now what we are going to do it, we will be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's give 1 is black. Then leaving the 2, 3 is black. Leaving the 4, 5 is black. And start filling it. If you don't have a marker, children, you can use your color pencil. You can make it colorful also using 2 colors or 3 colors. How much? So basically you are going to leave 1 number, and I have counted it and I'm going to do it. So mine is done, children. Go to the next now quickly. Now I'm going to write the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same thing. Now I'm doing it into the again number 1. So I've taken another marker. Number 1 I'm filling. So leaving number 2, we are going to do it filling the color into the alternate boxes. Continue till the end of this thing. I'm going quickly, children. You take your time while filling the color and make it. So leaving one, going to the next. Leaving one, going to the next. Leaving one, going to the next. So basically where the down is white, we have done it in a black color. So now there is a white, we are going to make the next one black. Like that, we need to fill the whole part. Children, you need to color it slowly, don't worry. So I'm just taking it in a faster mode. Coloring part, as it is very easy. You can use black marker as I've told. You can use color pencil. You can use oil pastels, crayons, anything. You can make it colorful with your favorite colors. So basically where it is white, the next section, I'm making it black. So it's done, children. Now I'm going off this part. Quickly filling it. Leaving this part, coming to this part, filling it. Filling this part. This I'm leaving. Yes, this I'm leaving and filling this part. Yes, I'm leaving and filling this part. So this I'm filling. Over here, this I'm filling. Basically leaving one and doing it. So changing the marker, children. You can go in a further detail if you divide it in further segments. It will be more detailed work, but that's fine. So we have completed, children. Yes, it's almost done. Fill it neatly. Children, if you like, it's very simple steps, easily explained in the tutorial.